In this video, we're going to show you how to remove a CMS from your Framer project. CMS collections are great for managing dynamic content, but sometimes you may want to remove them or convert your pages to static content. Start by deleting the CMS collections. Click on CMS in the top menu, select the collection you want to remove, and delete it. This will remove the underlying data from your project. Next, remove any connected collection lists or detail pages. Go to the Pages panel and delete any pages that were automatically generated by the CMS. If you have components that were linked to the CMS, make sure to unlink them. Right-click the component in the Assets panel and select Unlink to disconnect it from the CMS data. For pages that were originally CMS items, you can convert them to static pages. Copy the layout and content of the CMS page, create a new page, and paste the elements. This preserves the design while removing the dynamic CMS connection. If you only want to remove a specific CMS item rather than the whole collection, you can do that directly in the CMS panel by selecting and deleting the item. By following these steps, deleting collections, removing pages, unlinking components, and converting to static content, you can fully remove CMS functionality from your Framer project while keeping control over your layouts and design.